Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Pete. You're watching Pete J. Cooper the Model Builder, and we're going on with the Mercedes Gullwing. Right in front of me you see that I've done the wheel already. So we've got stage 24 right in front of us. Two pairs of screws, number 40, number MM, letters MM and TM, as I have them right here, and they are in the cups so I can pick them up. Let's get everything out and get straight into this. I can't show you any magazines. As you see, I've done that before. You just need hot water to do that and put that together. I thought they were rubbery material, but they were not. So these are those stages. There we go. So we're going to start with that wheel. So I'm going to put it right in front of me. Right here we have the number, what they call the number 3 wheel. Put it in hot water. It needs to be more than 75 degrees. In here you see an arrow, and in there you see an arrow, and that's how this is supposed to be put in, like so, and 2 MMs in there, and it's M, so we are going to put a bit of oil on the tip of that screw, as is always, and I'm going to say it once this time just to make it easier to put that screw in. And this is the last of that MM screw. We're putting this on the rear left. It says it right there, so you know you're not doing anything wrong. We just put that on like, can any camera see that? No. Yeah, that one. All right, let's do it like that. Then we put that wheel on. Then that washer. And then that's TM, another MM. A little bit of oil on that tip again. I said it again. It's not that wobbly. And now let's see. And then that Mercedes wheel hub, or how do you call something like that? The wheel, what they call it. It's in English here, so I can see what it's called. Hubcap. So we've put the hubcap in there, and I've put the arrow of the top of it towards Dunlop Racing, and the other one towards the other part, down, I should say. Let's have a quick look, because we need to be putting it into something somewhere, and I can't see a thing right now. I'm leaving that there for a second because I can see that light that way. But it needs to be under. Then we've got a point right there where we can put it on, but also we're using that one, and I don't know where that should go. That should be here. So we're putting those two together. That one, I think the top camera easiest here. Those two together with a screw, and then through all 2 of them. That's why we use this TM screw, because it's a long, thin screw. Now it's come loose again. All right. That is in. So we're going to leave it like that for a second. Oh, right here. And we're going to search for 25, 30, 25 is what we need. All right, we've got it in order. So I'm going to leave that all there. Keep that all together. So stage 25 is what we have here. 2 new types of screws. Pretty hefty LMs. And this small APs. Let's get the grease out. Which side is where? All right, put that in its place. Now we're gonna put these LMs on to keep those in. They're actually there for show because they don't do anything at all. Let's turn it around. We're going back to the other side again. This is an AP screw. Alright, then we're going to, which one is this? 26, which is the other wheel. And we know how this works, so. Then the hubcap. Then we turn it around because we're going to work on the other side here. Then I get the light out. Then we get that one out. Put them together as well with an AP screw in a moment, but we're starting with that the TM. I think I need this one. It ain't easy, guys. Keeps coming out, this thing. Then we're going to put that, let's get that AP out as well. We're going to put that AP there. Yep. So you saw a little tip to put those together with a little bit of tape to keep them together, because otherwise it's really hard to keep them together. Because you got no grip, but you. And I'm going to leave it at that and get the other stages in a different video. But that is what we have. Right in the front camera you see that we've been putting on the wheels and these brake lines all the way here. I've put it into that at the moment, but it doesn't need to be there, so it's a little bit funny. All right, stage 26 is the last one we've done, so let me write that down. Thank you very much for joining me again. I really hope you enjoy that. A little bit fiddly that. If you saw that I put a little bit of tape under it to keep them together. It's worked, it's in there, it's neatly in there, all into the wheel, the brake lines. It was a little bit hard to keep them in, but it's worked. I may put a little bit of my favorite glue in there to keep it together. But thank you very much. Please like, subscribe and pass it on, and join me next time when I do some more on this beautiful car or any of those in the background or on my channel. Thank you, see you next time, bye bye.